how are you? I hope you're really well. We're going to have a look at today the 2 mystery kits for May. I have got both of the Scribble Prints Co and the Caress Press mystery kits. Now, they are completely different shops, but I wanted to see the similarities and the differences, because I know for a lot of us, we're like, well, which one do we get? And it tends to come down to one or the other of them. So I thought it'd be great to compare them and give you a better idea. So then, let's have a look. Future Karen here. I never thought I'd do this. Right, just pausing it here. When I said that I got both kits were all singing or dancing, they're not. I got that wrong. With the Caress Press one, I have the Essential kit. And on the screen here, I'll put the different kit types you can get. And it's amazing, really. And you have all the different pages. And I decided for me, the Essentials kit gave me more than enough. And I got the same amount of foil as I did in the biggest kit that they do. And something very notable with Caress Press is that you can also have a choice of glossy or matte paper. And I think that's absolutely wonderful. The Scribble Prints kit, it is the ultimate kit. There's also the mini kit as well that you can have, which is a more affordable option. But with Scribble Prints Co, there's 2 choices of kit, but there's no choice of paper type. So future Karen coming in, correcting it. I'll put some overlays over as I'm going along, so forgive me. I was tired when I recorded, but yes, I realise now. So we're going to start off first of all with the mystery kit from Scribble Prints Co. And for both of them, I get the ultimate, or whatever the kits are called. I get the buy all, single, do all kits. So this is May's Mystery, and it's a pool scene. And as you can see there, you've got your swimming pool. You've got your hot dogs with your dip and your chips. Interesting fact, in the UK, we call those crisps or Doritos or nachos. You've got your girl there in her summer outfit with the pool behind her. A beautiful cake. That looks like something that's like a frozen ice cream cake, doesn't it? With cherries on top. Beautiful. Another outfit, another girl in the pool. So you've got 8 boxes there with that kit, and it's really vibrant colours, so I love that. And I think this is original artwork as well, because I haven't seen any other shop offering this exact artwork. You've then got this double box for your sidebar. So again, it's the pool, it's the background, you've got your pool floats, your balls, and then you've got some decorative boxes there as well as some checklists there. 2 checklists there. You've then got your deco, your weekend banner, your work scripts, so hours to and from, because Glam Planner does that as well. So that's the first time I've really noticed it in a Scribble Prints kit. You got flags, some more checklists. You got your to-dos, you got your 2 movie marquees, and before lockdown we used to go to the movies quite a lot as well. So yeah, your glitter headers there. You've got your deco, some layering items, you've got your half boxes, your quarter boxes. You've then got 2 full pages of boxes. So you've got your plain and you've got your decorative. So I love that because they're all the same. It's all the same colour palette, but you can mix them, and I think that's fantastic. I love these, but sometimes, you know, they can be a bit busy, can't they? So if you've got like a girl deco to stick on and just a couple of words or a script, that'd look lovely. But if you're writing in them, sometimes a plain box looks a bit more striking. So I really like the fact that she includes 2 sets of boxes. You've then got your washi, another box there, so you can put one of your foiled overlays over one of your quotes, and you've got your days of the week as well. So that is, oh, and you've got an extra, oh, we've got an extra page. Oh, we got extra pages. Oh, we've got a lot in this. We've got a lot in this one this time. So what she's then done is she's given you different skin tones of the 2 girls in the main kit. Again, more boxes, because boxes, we never have enough boxes, do we? So that's brilliant. And then again, you've got some more. Are they completely different? I just think it's fabulous that she does different skin tones, different hair colours. So you've got a choice. And then you've also got more washi there that looks like a pool with the sunlight on. Oh, that's beautiful, isn't it? So that is the first one. And that is, shall we count how many pages? So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You've got 10 sheets of stickers in that ultimate kit. That's a lot of stickers. Then you also get a foil overlay, and for this what you've got is you've got, I think is it meant to be this way? I never get it right. So you've got here 6 boxes here as foil overlays, and it's this beautiful, I don't know if it's meant, it's like an orange, I don't know, can I get it? Can you see? Can you? It's good. I think you can see just there. It's like an orange foil. It is really beautiful. So these are all header overlays in stars, and then you've got your 6 boxes, but you've got 2 of those. So you've got enough for 12 boxes. You've then got your bougie boxes. So you've then got 2 sheets of bougie boxes. So this is again the same orange foil. So you've got 16 boxes there. You've then got your script in the same beautiful orange colour and your deco as well. And then here you've got your washi, some more headers, some little individual stars, and you've got the dates as well. So, I mean, it's a fantastic kit. That is really fantastic, isn't it? So you've got, I'm going to have to count them again after, you know. Or maybe I'll just make a note. Shall I actually make a note so we know? So we've got 6 lots of foil sheets in that one. And did I say 12? 1, 2, 3. It's like counting money, isn't it? 4, 5, 6. Well, it cost us money, didn't it? 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 sheets. So, I mean, that's a lot. That is a lot. And yeah, I love that. I really like that. Got to wait till I go to a pool till I use it, but I really like that. So yeah, that's a win for me. That's a positive. Then for Caress Press, again, I get this all singing, all dancing, everything in it kit. So Caress Press, she always puts her boxes as sheet number 2. So on here you've got your deco, and it's really lovely deco. It's a little bit bigger, but it's very unique. You've got your boxes there. And then look at that. I haven't seen this artwork anywhere. And I'll tell you what I did. When I was cutting back on my subscriptions, I cancelled this. I then saw this one and I reinstated it. You know when you're like, oh, just get a grip, Karen. This is everything to me, because my Disney planning channel, my other channel, I mean, this just like sums it up really. I'd love to do a road trip. I'd love to hire an RV and go across America. I would do all the states. You got your map, you got your chips, we call them crisps, Skittles, yeah, you've got your, what is that? It's your dashboard with all your makeup and your music tapes. Oh yeah, your cassettes. You've got your gas station with your restaurants. Yeah, you've got all your cables for charging, your sun lotion, your sunglasses, your backpack, sat there. If I put my foot on the dashboard, Phil would go mad at me. You've then again got 2 lots of boxes. So you've got plain, and you've got patterns, so that's something that they both do. So love that. You've then got some more there, and you've got your glitter headers. You've got your to-dos, you've got your work, and you've got class. So if you're at college or university, or even if you're a mature student and you're studying online, you've got your flight info, your marquee. So that's really great, isn't it? And a small checkbox, that's different. You've got your washi, and you've got another box there with your cooler in, and your days of the week. And then again, you've got some more boxes. Adventure weights. You've got your different girls and your different skin tones and hair colours. You've then got some more washi. And then you've got some more boxes. Again, but this time with the girls in different skin tones. So here, you see how you can change it up? Woo! So you see there, so you can change it up to however you want it to be. Yeah. So should we count these? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should we call that 9 with the extras? So you've got 9 pages. I'm going to call it 9. I know it's like 8 and a bit, but I'm going to call it 9. So you've got 1 extra page in the Scribble Prints kit. But you see, I love this. And I think it's a really unique theme. And again, I haven't seen any shop do this. In my opinion, Caress Press has a lot of the more different artwork that aren't really around in other shops. So yeah, I tend to think her kits are a little bit more different, if that makes sense. So yeah, don't shoot the messenger, it's just my opinion, but that's how I feel. So you get less pages, but I just think it's a little bit different. But then on the foil, you do, from memory, get less foil. So let's have a look. We've got 1, 2, 3, you've got 5 sheets opposed to 6. So let's have a look at these. So this one, you've got your bougie boxes again, and you've got 2 of those, so you've got 16 sheets. You've got your overlay boxes, and this is where you're 1 short because you've only got 8 boxes. So with the Scribble Prints one, you actually have 12 boxes, so not every single one of your boxes can be foiled. And it's beautiful. It's like it's a real yellow gold star theme. I think it's holographic actually. It's beautiful. Then here you've got your washi. You can see it better on here, can't you? You've got some more headers, some dividers, you've got some little stars, your header overlays. Then you've got your script, some more icons. And here, if you have the Aura Estelle or any ring binder, you've actually got the page protectors there that are foiled. So that's fabulous if you use rings of any sort. And there you've got the dates again in foil as well as printed on the kit. So, which one do I like best? If I could only have one, ironically I'd have the Caress Press one. I would, I'd have that one because I think it's just that little bit more different. And yeah, that was the one I cancelled. I didn't cancel Scribble Prints because I think the amount you get for your money is tremendous, and her kits, she's getting more and more out there and they're getting so different, and I love them both. So yeah, I hope that's helped you. I hope I haven't enabled too many people. I don't have a code to either shop. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I hope that's been of interest. And I know for me, it was very much a toss-up between the two. And I'm just so fortunate that I've been able to get both. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, if you haven't already and you want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button coming at the end of the video and the notification bell. That way then you'll be notified when I've uploaded a video. And it's entirely up to yourself if you want to watch it or if you want to skip to the next one. But at least you know, because I don't know about you, I like to be in the know. I like to choose which videos I watch. But thanks so much for watching. Be good, be kind. Please take very good care of yourselves. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, it's never too late to get happily planning. Bye for now, guys. Bye.